Hi, young lady.
Hi. Please, who are you?
My name is Saul.
Then what happened? You just come and block my way.
I'm sorry, I can see you dressed up and look so beautiful. Please, where are you heading to?
Okay. Thank you. I am going to register with Hilton Sky. Didn't you heard about the new program established by Hilton Sky?
Absolutely no.
Alright, let's have a seat and negotiate about the issue. Mr. Saul, I was telling you about the new program established by Hilton Sky.
Yes, Mrs. Zara, what is that Hilton Sky?
Mr. Saul, Hilton Sky is an organization established to help northern people of Nigeria on computer programs.
Mrs. Zara, what type of programs are they teaching?
They teaches web designing, graphics designing, and even how to create